Hello, my name is 𝐀𝐁𝐎𝐔𝐓 and I am 11 years old. My project is a website I made about the Russia-Ukraine war. I want to raise awareness as I feel that Russia should not have attacked Ukraine unprovoked. I also want to help raise funds to support the Ukrainian children who are badly affected by the war. Let me now show you the live site. I used HTML because it's a new programming language I learned, which I found easy to use and apply. For more advanced features, I had to search for solutions that use CSS and JavaScript. Some interesting features that I developed outside of what I learned in class included embedding the Ukrainian national anthem to 𝐂𝐐𝐓, adding a favicon of a Ukraine country ball next to my website titled the Browser tab, adding counter timers to track how many days have passed since the start of the war, embedding videos using YouTube's embed function, using the Google Maps API and JSON converter to embed an interactive map of Ukraine. I also added a vertical timeline using customized rectangles and circles, putting images above the text to make it more visually attractive. You can follow the timeline of the war from February to November 2022, watch videos, and learn the history of Ukraine from the 6th century BC all the way up to 1991, when Ukraine declared independence from the Soviet Union. There are also other sections on the importance of Ukraine, the meaning of the Ukrainian flag, and important Ukrainians. One challenge I encountered was in the formatting of the various elements. I figured out that I could specify float to make the pictures align to the left or the right so as to not block the words. I learned how to push my code to GitHub and for public access. This was the most exciting part for me as I could now share my website with people in the world. Although website programming is hard, there are many solutions that I can learn from other programmers by searching online. I hope that the Russia-Ukraine war will end peacefully very soon without the use of any nuclear weapons. Thank you for listening.